Say, Colin, how are we gonna get home?
I don't know. Cause I'm so tired from flying all this way to this new island.
Maybe we should call bird control.
Bird control. All right, here we go, guys. So you're 5 kilometers out from the shore, and then when you get there, if you go straight 13 kilometers to the nest, so you want to go diagonally because it'll take more energy with the rising waves in the air to get from the island like straight here. So you want to diagonal a little bit and then go straight to the land. All right, so this, we're gonna make this x, and this is 13 minus x right here because you got the whole distance is 13. And then for this diagonal bit, you got that, which is squared because it's a Pythagorean triangle, so 25 plus x squared, and it's all under a square root right there. So now, like I said earlier, it takes some more energy to go across the water. So that's about 1.4 times. So now we've got 1.4 times the square root of 25 plus x squared, plus this right here, 13 minus x, right there. And that is the energy to get over there. So now, if you want to take the derivative of that, which is ex equals 1.4 times 1/2, because this is under a square root, and then this becomes 25 plus x squared, plus x squared to the negative 1/2 times 2x because of the chain rule, plus 0 minus 1. Now the 2 and the half cancel out, so you just get that x. You got 1.4x over 25 plus x squared, and that's under the square root because they're right there, minus 1. And to get those to combine right there, we can make this 25 plus x squared under the square root over the same thing. So then this turns into this, 1.4x minus square root of 25 plus x squared over the square root of 25 plus x squared. And then you solve that for 0. 1.4x minus 25 minus x squared. And we can just kind of like get rid of this, because if you multiply it over, it's still 0. So now we add that over, and you get 25 plus x squared is equal to 1.4x. Now you want to square both sides to get rid of that square root. And then you got 25 plus x squared is equal to 1.96 x squared. And you subtract x squared, you get 25. And for the sake of saving room on my board, I'll just kind of like combine a couple steps and divide this by 0.96, which would have been in front of the x squared. And then we can square root so that we just have x. And that's what your x is. And that comes out to approximately 5.103. Now that's a critical value, as we say in bird control business. Now, if I move over the other side of the board, yes, we can use the other endpoints because it goes from 0 kilometers to 13. So that's our domain, as we say. And we can plug those into that original equation there to get 20. Whoops, not 0 again. 5.103, our critical value. And that comes out to 17.9. And then the last one, which is 13, our other endpoint, is 19.5. So this is the smallest one, which makes it the minimum. Which means that you want to travel 5.103 kilometers over this diagonal path, and then travel the rest of the way to the nest, and that'll use the least amount of your energy, Bird control saves the day yet again!
Thanks, bird control!
Now I can eat.